students, welcome to the session. This is Shweta Roy, your English master teacher at Vedantu, and today I have come up with a very important session, guys, which is going to be really life changing for all of you guys, because this is about 60 days strategy for CBSE 10th English. So how to prepare yourselves for English exams, and that is for 60 days, right? So 60 days strategy. I hope this will be really helpful for all of you guys. So please stay tuned throughout the video. So I have divided this session into three parts. That is for those who are starting now. I know many of the students would be starting now. So we have this category definitely. I'm sure about that. Those who have started, those who have studied, but they want to revise. Okay, and for those who have studied and revised. So these are the three categories into which we have divided the strategy, right? So for all these three categories, student belonging to each category, we have a different kind of strategy. So let us check it out, guys. So first, when will the board exam start? We are apprehending it would be starting in the mid-February and continuing till March. So let us begin with the strategy, and before that, if you want to join us for gaining 100% marks and 100% knowledge, you can definitely visit the link in the description box and pinned comment, and you can have unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. You can compete with the students throughout the world. You will have interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards, and the content that you can download will have handwritten notes of the master teachers, which will be really very beneficial for all of you. Okay, because notes definitely is one of the major issues that you face. You do not have proper notes, so that is really going to be very helpful, because after each and every session we provide you the notes, right? And we have a special a feature of doubt solving that is there with the help of our class teacher. So we have an entire team devoted to this special need of y'all, that is doubt solving, right? So we have a team of class teachers, and they will be helping you out in this doubt solving, and also quality tests and assignments. Definitely you can get assignments after each and every session you will get, and if you solve that assignment, you will have absolutely clear concept of whatever has been taught to you. And we do take tests, and we give you the performance report of that test, so that will help you in analyzing your yourselves, right? And you can have 5,000 plus micro courses and crash courses, that too in less price. That is just 2,159 guys for a month, and 5,599 for 3 months, where you save 14%. Okay, so which actually comes down to 11 rupees per class for a month and 9 rupees per class for 3 months, which is definitely cheaper than a packet of Lay's, right? So this is the link in the description box and pinned comment, and use the coupon code SWREPRO to avail the amazing discount, guys. So resuming our strategy, you already know your reduced syllabus. Okay, we have 10 chapters, guys, in prose, and 7 chapters in poems. So we have 17 chapters in total. Okay, from the first book, that is First Flight, and from Footprints Without Feet, we have total 7 chapters, right? And this is the grammar syllabus. I think all of you know already, so I'm not going into the details of all this. We have already done this. So guys, another important announcement that I have to make is Vedantu is launching Target AIMS 2021 to 23 course. You can be the part of this transformation and start preparing early with Vedantu from 21st December to 30th Jan 2021, Monday to Saturday. This is the link, guys, that in which you can register yourselves. And now let's move ahead. For those who are starting now, strategy for these people. Okay? So ideally you should not have done this, but anyways, I know most of the students would be falling into this category as well. So yes, those who are starting now, 24 chapters, grammar plus writing. Okay? This is the syllabus. 25th December to 25th Feb, that is 60 days. So 60 days strategy, 50 days preparation, 10 days revision. That is how I have divided this. So guys, let's plan it now. 50 days. So 10 days we are, ignoring. We are removing this part because this is your revision, final revision. We are now concentrating on the preparation part. How can you plan your preparation? You have 24 chapters, guys. 24 chapters. You have to devote 2 days per chapter at least. Okay? 3 hours you have to devote for literature, grammar, reading, and writing. Yes, you have to stick to this plan, guys. 3 hours per day because you haven't started. That is the problem, है ना? So 3 hours per day, and how are you going to approach this? देखो, grammar you can do as I always tell you. Afternoon time is the best time for grammar. ठीक है? Writing, reading, okay, and literature. These are the three areas. Now, the most scoring part is reading, writing. Reading and grammar. You aim 100% marks in these parts. Okay, that is reading and grammar. 100%. If you can get 100%, your average goes up. Okay, so your target should be getting 100% marks in reading as well as grammar, right? Literature also is quite scoring. You can get 98 plus, in literature. 98 plus, I mean percentage. Okay, more than 98% in literature as well. Since there is value-based question and also I am actually I'm not saying 100% because literature is subjective. Okay, along with the writing also, 95% plus you can definitely get. Okay, 95%, more than 95% you can definitely get. So English is very scoring, guys. You just need a little bit of strategy and a little bit of sincerity, and it's not a Herculean task at all to score in English. And this is how you can plan your preparation, right? Now, literature, the reading of the text, that you can do whenever you feel bored with the other subjects, right? So you take an hour of break between two subjects, let's say maths and physics. You take an hour gap, right, between the two subjects because you get drained, exhausted. During that time, you can go through the NCERT reader. Okay, because reader, you can read casually. You will automatically feel that you have not, you're not doing any hard work. You're just reading, right? So light reading, but it is also going inside your head. So that will really help you because NCERT books should be, gone through thoroughly. That is very, very, very important. Only then come to the lectures. Please attend the lectures. Very, very important to attend the lectures because if you do not attend the lectures, you will not be able to solve the value-based questions for 5 marks. That is very important. And as you have seen the sample paper, you have seen what kind of questions they are asking for value-based. So that can only be possible if you have solved and if you have attended the lectures, because in the lectures, we actually delve deeply into the chapter. We dive deep into the chapter, and you can definitely read the chapter on your own, but for understanding these important concepts, you need to attend the lecture. That is very, very important, guys. Okay? So please do that only after you have gone through the NCERT books, and you can listen to the lecture even while having your lunch, even while doing any other work. Just play the video. Here you will be automatically prepared. 90% of your preparation will be done, right? So, and the rest of the days should be spent on reading. Reading is very important, guys. Practice reading and solving, this comprehension question. That is very, very important. So 1 hour for literature and grammar. This is how you can divide your hour. Okay? The first day you can write. You can use your hour for literature plus grammar. As I told you, grammar can be done in the afternoon, right? That is the best time. Okay? Solve previous year question papers for grammar. Okay? And for literature, I told you how to prepare for it. 1 hour for solving the previous questions. Very, very important. 1 hour you have to devote in solving the previous questions, guys. That is a must. Only then you will be practicing. Please do practice this for each and every section. Literature, writing, grammar, and reading. Okay, previous year's question papers should be solved. For literature also, practice writing the answers. Very, very, very essential. Don't take it up in the last night of your exam and go through the summaries and appear for your exam. That is not at all the way to approach your exams. All right. So if you want to, take it don't just take it up for, this board exam. Think about your future, think about your long term as well. So please do not only read the dry summary and go for the, because now you have more objective based question and you have seen how the sample paper looks like, right? So only reading the summary is not going to help you. And 1 hour reading and writing, that is also very, very important. All right, moving ahead, for those who have studied but want to revise, ideally this should be the condition for everybody. Anyways, so we have 60 days, okay? So 24 chapters, 2 days per chapter. You can devote 2 hours per day for literature, grammar and writing, and 1 hour reading plus writing. Okay, the first day 1 hour reading plus writing. Okay, the next hour should be previous year's question papers, right, in which automatically the literature portion is going to be covered because you have already revised, right? I mean, you have already prepared yourselves, now you just need to revise. So for the revision thing, you just need to revise, practice writing the answers to the questions, right? And when you are doing this, please sit and adhere to the time limit. Okay, solve the question paper sticking to the time limit, that is very, very important, right? And now for those who have studied and revised, kudos to all of you who fall into this category. So task is easier for these people. Work 1 hour per day on your weak spot. Since you have already studied, you have already revised, everything is done. So now you have to just work on the weak spot. So these students are going to, come out with flying colors, that is for sure, no doubt about that. But others also can do, everybody can do their best if you strictly follow the strategy. Okay? So whatever is your weak spot, guys, you have to work at least an hour a day. All right, guys. So that was the plan, guys. Success is what people think it looks like, but what it really looks like. That means you have to work hard. Okay? So you have to work hard to actually achieve success. Be prepared, stay focused, never give up. Okay, so don't forget to use the coupon code, guys. Visit the link in the description box. Use the coupon code as WREPRO to join us and be a part of our Vedantu family. And prepare yourselves not just for board exams, but for your future with us. We are there with you guys, helping you out in every possible way, providing you the best that we can. So thank you guys, take care and all the very best for your exams. I'm sure everybody is going to rock it. Bye-bye, take care, thank you so much for watching, and please do share the video amongst your friends so that they can also be helped and benefited. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel as well. And comment, yes, how did you like the session? Please do comment. And how much are you prepared with? Please do comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.